Hey guys, this is Alexander at All Security Equipment, and today we're going to do a quick video on how to program the 878 Max LiftMaster wireless keypad. Step 1. You want to make sure that you have power to the keypad by pressing on the keypad. If you see light come up on the keypad, it means that you have power. If you don't, you can quickly open the battery compartment and change the battery if needed. So there are two ways of programming the LiftMaster 878 Max keypad. The method A, which is the yellow learn button, which is the latest security technology from LiftMaster and the easiest one. So you want to locate the learn button on your garage door opener and press and release. That means you press and you release. Then you enter a 4-digit pin. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to press enter, and from there you should see either the light bulb blink twice or hear 2 clicks. Then from there you can just test your keypad, enter to test that the pairing was successful. The second method to program your LiftMaster 878 Max keypad to your garage door opener, if you have a different color learn button, such as purple, red, orange, or green. It also works with the yellow. However, the method A is much simpler to program it. So in order to program for those other type of learn button, it's very simple. You're gonna hold the star and pound key until the lights stop blinking, static. From there, you're gonna enter the pin number of your choice. So for example, 1478. And then we're gonna press and release the number of times that corresponds to the garage opener type. So for example, for the purple is twice. So I'm gonna press 1, 2. Then I'm gonna press on 0. And then you're going to press the learn button on your garage door opener. So the light should turn on, and then from there you press again the 4-digit pin 1478, and then you should hear the 2 clicks, or you should see the lights flash. That means it got programmed, and from there you can just test 1478, enter, and your garage door should open. If you want to upgrade your keypad with video, LiftMaster, as of October 2023, came out with a brand new video keypad. Let me show you. Voila, the latest technology advancement from LiftMaster, which is a video keypad. So the great thing, this is the pro version that comes with a swivel mount. So what happened is that when you install your keypad, you can easily swivel it and optimize the viewing angle of the camera. And so what's great about this keypad is that it works wirelessly on your Wi-Fi to have the video. It works with myQ, so you can control it with myQ, and at the same time it just works like a regular keypad. So what happens if you lose internet or whatever happens, you can still use it like a regular keypad. So it has all the functionalities of the regular keypad plus all the functionalities of the myQ. And it has also facial recognition, so you can see who comes in by your garage door, if it's somebody from your family, a friend, a delivery person, or somebody that should not be next to your house. And you can get alerts right away on your phone. So this is an amazing video keypad, and it's available on All Security Equipment. You can find the link of the product in the description below, and we are looking forward for the next video. Thank you.